Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Walgreens. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in walgreens.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Walgreens, from which in order to open up a new account, simply go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right corner and click on create an account. You will then be taken into the sign up page for Walgreens. Now you will be asked to enter your personal information, so go ahead and type in your first and your last name, followed by your email address and your preferred password for your account. You can also choose to create or link your My Walgreens account by clicking on the checkbox. If you choose to do this, you will be asked to enter your phone number and your zip code as well. Finally, you will need to read and agree to the terms of use by clicking on the terms of use, and after reading it, click on the checkbox. Then click on the continue button, and now you will successfully be signed up to your new account on Walgreens. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new account and sign up for the Walgreens website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.